Hiya crafters, Amy here with amyswares, and today I'm going to make a super simple and striking sympathy card. Now this is Geometric Butterflies. It's part of the February release. Here's a photo of the finished card. Super quick, super simple, and it doesn't take a lot of products. So this Geometric Butterfly stencil is part of the February release at A Colorful Life Designs. I do have a coupon if you check out anything in the shop and end up purchasing anything. Be sure to use my coupon AMYFAN10 at checkout and you'll save 10% on your complete order. So in this card, I'm just going to use the lower of the two butterflies just because I prefer this design for this card. And I'm masking off the edges of the stencils with some mint tape from Scrapbook just so I don't get ink on the card where I don't want it. And I'm working directly on the card base, so this is single layer. It's nice and flat. It'll be lightweight, easy to ship. And I'm just using this one single color, this Blackjack color from 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝘀. So I'm going very heavy-handed. I think my ink pad is maybe a little dry. I should probably re-ink it, but I wanted it to be as close to stark black as possible. It's a little bit bold, a little bit dramatic maybe for a sympathy card, but I don't know. It seemed right in this instance, so I went with it. But you could absolutely use this in any color, rainbow color, happy card, a sad card, anything. This is one of these versatile stencils that you can use it in so many different ways all year long. So once I'm done with the ink blending, I'll show you the rest of the elements that I used to pull together the card, but it was really super simple. I do recommend, if you make cards and send out cards a lot, to definitely have sympathy ones on hand, especially if you lose someone close to you. It's not probably something you want to do in the moment if you're grieving the loss of someone that you care about. So I always recommend having sympathy cards on hand, even pet sympathy cards, just because they're so appreciated. And I know having lost my mom, all the cards that I got meant so much to me. So it's definitely a good thing to keep those on hand. Now this is a Tailored Expressions Simple Strip. It says Surrounding You with Love. And these storage boxes are also from Tailored Expressions. So I absolutely love these. I love having these on hand, ready to go. It's all these little things that save time. Once you combine them together, you can pull a card together in a jiffy by having so much of the stuff already ready to go. So I'm going to attach one of them on the front of the card with some thin foam strips that I get from Amazon. Now these are I think they're probably 2mm, but again, not a lot of dimension, definitely not a lot of bulk because I'm working right on the card base. And then I'm going to put with Heartfelt Sympathy on the inside of the card with liquid glue. And these are white heat embossed on black cardstock. And as you saw, I had a bunch of them in that little storage box ready to go. So saved a lot of time. Now, I think I do end up adding some bling. I'm trying to remember what color that is. I think it is... oh, Rainbow Pearl Clear. So it has like a nice little, I don't know, reflective quality to it where it kind of brings in some other colors. So it's obviously black and white and quite stark, but there is a little bit of softness and color from these. Yeah, Rainbow Pearl Clear. And those are also from A Colorful Life Designs, and you can also use my coupon on those. So I hope you found this helpful if you need to make a sympathy card in a jiffy. I hope this idea inspires you, and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching.